In this video, we're going to demonstrate one of the really nice features in EZGUI 5.0, and that's the new custom control engine, not only in runtime, but also supported by the visual designer. Well, let's see how it works. We have a form displayed here, and we're going to select our control palette, and instead of, for example, a standard combo box, we're going to add a custom control combo box. And we're going to add two of them so we can see them side by side. Now, the custom control engine in EZGUI allows you to design your own unique custom controls without having to use any Windows API code. It's all done using the EZGUI custom control command set. These custom controls can be compiled as DLLs and added to the visual designer so you can use them visually, but they're also in source code format, so that when you generate an application, you don't have to use a DLL, you can use source code. Well, let's look at one of these controls. Here we have a combo box, it's a custom combo box. When we display the properties dialog, we find the combo box is undefined. We can click on the class list here, and it shows us that there are two available custom controls for the combo box style. These come with the visual designer, but you can create your own. We'll select color combo. To get some info about it, we can click the info button, and it'll tell us a little bit of what it does and how it works and how you add data to it. And up here you can see that it's got some text here in the text field for the list for the combo box, but it's got some actual hexadecimal numbers in here that define colors. Let's see what this control looks like. Let's go into test mode, and we have a real color combo box. You can add any colors that you want to it. Now that is a nice feature, and it's built into EZGUI. Well, let's define the other custom combo box. And this time we're going to select the font combo. And again, you can click the info button to get some information of how you display the information in there. For example, you can display an actual font name, and it will display the text in that actual font. Let's see what this looks like. Now we'll go into test mode. Now we have a font combo box. Now notice the text is all in the same font, so it's readable. But here, you have the letters A, B, C actually displayed in that actual font. Well, that's a nice feature, isn't it? So you can build these kind of controls yourself using EZGUI custom control command set commands and have them supported in the visual designer. These are not just the only controls that are supported. There's 5 different classes of custom controls supported. And we're going to get rid of these here. I'm going to delete them. The others are the custom list box control, the custom static or label control, the custom tab control, even a custom list box control. Well, let's look at the list box. We're going to create one. Now the custom list box control has 3 classes. Very similar to the combo box. It has a color list and a font list. Here's the interesting one, a checklist. Again, you can click the info box and get some information of how it works. Click apply. Now, watch what happens. Now, we actually have a list box with check items in it. Now that is a nice feature. Well, let's look at another custom control. And that is the custom label control. The designer comes with one built in. It's called a 3D progress bar control. And again, there's information of how to define the different colors. A normal progress bar control can only display basically one colored bar and then a background color. Well, this control uses a owner draw capability of displaying multiple colored bars at different percentages for each bar. Now that's nice. Now if you notice the text field up here, it displays such things as a percentage like 15% black, 12% blue, 10% green. You can just set the text at any time to change these values. And now what you get is a 3D style progress bar with multiple colors. Again, all created using the custom control engine. You can even create custom tab controls. Now, normally your tab controls are drawn by windows and you don't have any control of things like the color and background. Well, the designer comes with two custom tab controls. One, it's got a 3D effect. Again, it's explained here. And what's nice about this is you can actually define colors. For example, if I change the foreground color and I'm going to make it light blue, and then the background dark blue, let's see what happens. Wow, that's nice. Now you've got a unique 3D colored tab control. And there's also a flat version of this particular control. For example, if I change it to the flat tabs, now we have one that's got colors, but again, it's got flat tabs. So now you can create your own customized tab control. And again, you can create your own or design your own and have them available in the Visual Designer. Let's look at the last one, and that's the list box, or actually the list view control. The list view control has a number of custom controls built in, and we're going to select them. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at these here. And this allows you to, if you remember the old computer paper, you can set a color here. To be green. Where you had one line was white and one line was green. You can actually create a list view control where you have multiple colors. Well, this particular custom control allows you to basically have a different color for each line, and there's a number of different custom controls provided with the designer. There's actually 3 of them, and they can be customized in different ways. Now, these are quite simple examples, but it shows you what you can do with EZGUI, and the beauty is you can create your own. The sky's the limit, as they say. So you can create any type of custom controls that you'd like and have them actually usable in the Visual Designer.